What is up, everyone? Welcome to Jen's Magic and Mischief. I'm Jen, your newest ghost hostess and Ravenclaw mama, and today we're going to Animal Kingdom. Alright, we just got through security. I always get stopped. There's something in my diaper bag that always goes off. But we are here. And a lot of people with these coral Mickey like puff jackets. They're really cute. I love Animal Kingdom. It's my favorite park. Navi River journey, and it's 50 minutes, and I've been told that they are inflating the wait time to get people to buy Genie Plus, so it's not really 50 minutes, I'm hoping. So let's do it. Okay, so before my makeup completely melts off, here's the OOTD. I have my cheetah print pants on, and now we're gonna try to get on Navi River journey. Navi River journey. Where's the baby? She did so good. And like I was saying earlier, the wait time listed was 50, and I literally waited like 19 minutes, not even a full 20. Look at how beautiful this is. I love Pandora. Well, we can't get on Flight of Passage, obviously, so I think we're just gonna walk around, go to the gift shop, and see where the rest of the day takes us. checklist done. So now I'll insert a clip of the genie selections that I made. I want to say Kilimanjaro Safaris, it was Navi River journey, and like the little walks where you can see the animals. I think that's pretty much it. There's not that many no height requirement rides in Animal Kingdom, but we are off to a great start. Okay, so we are leaving Pandora right now. That was so fun. The wait time was totally wrong, so that was perfect in our favor. And I just checked, Kilimanjaro Safaris is at a 70-minute wait. But again, I don't think that's what the wait time is actually gonna be. But we're gonna head to Kilimanjaro Safaris right now. First, I think we're gonna make a quick pit stop into Island Mercantile. Ooh. Of the Island Mercantile, and I just took a bunch of photos right here. So this is a good little spot if you want to get some selfies. Look at this. Look at this. So we are headed to the Kilimanjaro Safaris, and I spotted something really quick out of the corner of my eye. The mini sipper. So I already have the Mickey popcorn bucket, and now I have Minnie. So while baby's taking a nap, I'm just gonna come and look through a couple of gift shops.
Rise up and live out the true meaning of its creed. We hold these truths to be self-evident that all
New ears, I had to get the leopard print, cheetah print ears, but their little performance was so good. I loved it. They were going hard for Black History Month. I loved it. So somehow, I think when I had my phone up really high recording the performance, I got pooped on. And so did baby. Look at this. Poop. So we're headed to the bathroom. Get a little 360 view action. Since we got pooped on, I cleaned the poop off of her cover and then came back. Kilimanjaro Safaris was at 80 minutes. I should have gone on when it was 65 minutes. Damn it. But now we're just gonna take the Wildlife Express. Here it is. And we're gonna go to the other side, and apparently they have a petting zoo. Baby has been to a petting zoo before. Oh my gosh, baby's first petting zoo. Oh, Gil. We're gonna look at the animals. Look at the animals, Gil. A little 360 spin. I think this is baby's first time seeing the live animals. I can't believe it. He just switched tones. All right, it's getting a little dusty out here. I think baby has got enough of the animals. Did you see the goats and the piggies? Did you like that, girl? Did you have fun? You saw the animals. So we're just walking back to the train now. That was fun. And there was basically no wait. So that was a fun little experience we got to do. I just checked the wait time for the Kilimanjaro Safari, and it's at 30 minutes, so that's where we're heading. 35 minutes from 80 minutes. Yay! We're doing it, baby. We're doing it, girl.
Book the party in front of you and fill in all the available space. Thank you for touring with Kilimanjaro. When it comes to safaris, we go wide. Folks, come out of the back and we'll get ready to go. People, welcome aboard the Kilimanjaro Safari. Kelly, and we'll go drive around and we'll go hang out with some animals. Maybe for 30 minutes, maybe a couple of weeks. Lost on Safari, it's time to be. Welcome to the Harambe Wildlife. Hold some breath underwater for like 10 minutes at a time. Keep an eye out for a 1-year-old and a 2-year-old giraffe out there. So it only takes 3 years for the young giraffes to go from 6 feet tall to 20 feet tall, fully grown. The long horns you might find out there with the giraffes, those are the Ankole cattle that have horns that can reach to 6 feet long. And the younger calves are going to teach all throughout a day. Ostrich eggs, the largest egg in the world, 3 pounds each.
It's a real fight. Oh, it's a real fighting. Fight.
We did it, girl. That was so much fun. The safari. She liked it. She had a good time. So we are gonna just head on out. Oh, we have to go see the Tree of Life. What the heck? It's the Tree of Life. It's so pretty. So that's the walkway, the bridge, and that takes you to Asia and the Tree of Life. It's so pretty. All right, we're gonna make our way out. Once again, for the millionth time, we're walking towards the exit, I think. All right, there's the last look at the Tree of Life. We are making our way out. My phone is literally on 10%. We need to get out of here. And that is a wrap on Animal Kingdom. We had so much fun. I feel like we did more stuff than we got to do at Magic Kingdom. Because Magic Kingdom, we pretty much only got on one ride and the monorail. But over here, we got on the train, Navi River journey. And we topped it off with the Kilimanjaro Safari. The baby, she's laughing. Why are you laughing? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you real soon.